Hi everyone. Today we will learn how we can get the Zoom reports against the meeting APIs. Okay. So for that purpose, you must be sure a few points regarding the report APIs. One is that you must be have a pro account or a higher plan with the Zoom. Okay. So first point is that, and second, you must have a admin group. Okay, with the access token. Okay, so these 2 points you must be keep in your mind when you are going to request the Zoom reports. So let's start. So first what we can do, we just create an other helper file. We call it Zoom report helper.js, and inside that I think we must be create another file we call Zoom constants.js, and inside that we first create API based URL, and we say https api.zoom.us/v2. Okay, and we say, so we must be first export module.export. We export API based URL. Okay, and we are first going with the activity endpoint. So activity endpoint regarding the sign in sign out report. So we say activity and we just build the endpoint. So we say report slash activities. And then we need to export that also activity. And we need to first import const. We import Axios. We say require and Axios. And then we must be import require Zoom constants, and from here we import API based URL and activity and constants. Okay, so then we need to build a helper for sign in sign out report. So we say activity port, and then we need to say a sync, and here we first build the activity URI. So we pass API based URI, and then we paint activity. Okay, save it, and then we say const data wait, and we call access. URL will be activity URI. Okay, activity URI, and method will be get, and headers we say authorization, and we use error, and we pass process dot environment dot zoom JWT token of this, and then we just get the response from the request, and we say return response, and then cage we must be variable name error, and we return error, and we return data. Okay, just need to format, and we must be export first, exports, and we say activity report, and then we need to first import our helper. Okay, so inside you can see inside the constants we have this base endpoint, and this is our activities sign in and sign in, sign out activity report. Okay, so this endpoint is for that. So we just need to import const require. We first import the Zoom report helper, then we import the activity report, and at the bottom we build an endpoint called API Zoom slash reports, and we slash we say activity. Okay, async request response, and then we need to say activity result. So we call it await and activity report. Okay, and here response.json, and we say activity result, just semicolon, and then just format the code. Let's start the API and test that endpoint. Before that, we must place a breakpoint here and here. And then we need to navigate. So we say localhost 44,000 slash API Zoom slash reports slash activity. I think we have some we have not started. Start. So we just hit enter once again, and we have got an error. So error is saying 404. Okay, that means we have something wrong with the endpoint. Okay, so you can see we must be place a ending slash, so we have missed that. npm start once again and just hit enter. Okay, we have successfully got the response, and inside the data we have activity logs, and logs we just display back on the browser. We can see, so here is activity against the login, sign in, sign out details, you can see. Okay, so our next endpoint is billing, so we just get that detail also. So we need to create another helper, we call it billing report async, and we need to copy and paste this code, and we only need to create an endpoint here. We say const billing, and we need to say report slash billing. Okay, and it is endpoint for billing. Okay, so we say billing, and need to format, and then we must be first, I think we change the billing here. Okay, and we need to export billing report and format the code, and then we must be first import here. So we say billing report. At the bottom we need to create a endpoint app.get slash API slash zoom slash reports and slash billing. We say sync request response, and we first request, so it is billing result await, we say billing report, and return response.json, and we pass billing result and need to format. I think we are missing something here. That's why this .json was not foundable by the IntelliSense. So we need to restart and start, and we need to place a breakpoint. Okay, and just need to change the activity to billing. Activity to billing, hit enter. We have got an error. So it is mentioning 400. We have no permission on this token, okay? So we cannot get the billing, okay? But we keep move on with the next reporting APIs. So I'm going to end this session, okay, for now. And I'm in the next session, we will come back and we will see the remaining reports APIs, okay? Hopefully you have got that. If you have any query regarding the Zoom integration sessions or this session, then just place a video comment section, place your query on a video comment section, or you can also send me queries directly via the WhatsApp or either shared email address as on my channel description. Okay, so I have shared my contact details there. Hopefully you have got that. Thank you. Bye-bye.